The pgEdge AI DBA Workbench was built to give you AI-enhanced monitoring and alerting for any Postgres server, not just pgEdge. And we mean any server, including Amazon Aurora and RDS. Let me show you how. Once you've got Workbench set up, the next step is to make sure it can connect to your RDS database. This will vary depending upon your specific setup, but since I'm running Workbench on EC2, I use the handy Setup EC2 Connection option in the Actions menu for my database. Because Amazon RDS uses its own root certificate, the next step is to install that on your Workbench server. Since I installed the Workbench using our packages, I'll put it in the varlib directory for the DBA server. Though as long as you remember the path, you can put it anywhere. Also, make sure the pgEdge user is the owner and the file has the correct permissions. For Docker, you'd mount the file as a read-only volume in the server container at any path. Once that's done, just create the server and add your RDS info, making sure to select Verify Full under SSL and enter the path to the root certificate you downloaded. After a few minutes, the collector will scrape the RDS server and you've got AI-powered metrics and alerting. But here's where it gets interesting. Meet Ellie, your built-in Postgres expert. RDS gives you performance insights and CloudWatch dashboards, charts and graphs you still have to interpret yourself. Ellie reads your database metrics for you. When an alert fires, she doesn't just point at a spiking metric. She walks you through the diagnosis step by step, then guides you through the resolution, the exact explain to run, the index to add, the parameter to tune. It's like having a Postgres DBA sitting right next to your RDS instance. And the best part? You don't have to migrate, replatform, or rip anything out. Your RDS database keeps doing what it already does well. Ellie and the Workbench just layer on top, giving you the kind of deep Postgres observability and tuning expertise that usually takes years to learn. It's completely open source, so you can run it yourself right now. Be sure to check the link in the description to find out more.